Welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to write a biodata for marriage. Let's say my name is Ankita Sen. So first I'll mention my name, my date of birth, height, my father's name, mother's name, or if you have siblings, you can mention their names, your email ID, contact number. Do remember that your occupation you have to write in very short. It's not a explanatory resume for a job purpose. So you have to be very concise about your job role. You should not be explaining your projects and your roles and responsibilities in your organization. Okay, so do mention the kind of work you do at your organization in short. Now, the next come is your educational qualifications. So here you should always mention your highest degree on the top and in the chronological order. You should mention the kind of discipline you had, subjects you took, university from where you passed out, the year of passing, and you can also mention the kind of marks or percentage you secured. So after your educational qualification, you can add your hobbies, what you like, your skills. Let's say you are good at badminton or computer knowledge, then you should mention that. Then what languages you know, your address. These are few important things that you can mention in your biodata for marriage. Along with that, if you have any kind of achievements that you want to mention, you want to show it to the next party, you can mention that also. So this is about how to write a biodata. Thank you.